everyone, it's Erica with Craftinated, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Club Echo Park subscription box. I just got it in the mail the other day, but I've been really busy, so I haven't had a chance to open it. So I am excited to see what is inside. So let's just go ahead and open up what I like to call the pizza box. Okay, so this says September 2021 kit, fall inspiration. This is so cute. I love these little tags down here. It says Simply Blessed and Pumpkin Patch tags. Pumpkin spice card. These are really, really cute. And then all the goodies are right in here. Alright, so we have a 6x6 24 double-sided paper. It's a 65-pound cardstock, and it is the fall paper. And it's kind of sad because I'm probably not going to be doing too much more with fall at this point. I know it's still kind of early, but I have some craft fairs in the winter, and I'm going to be getting ready for Christmas crafts. So as cute as these are, I probably won't get to them anytime soon. This says thankful, grateful, and blessed. You are the cutest pumpkin in the patch. Some really cute pumpkins, some blue plaid, wood grain, leaves, some more plaid. Hello pumpkin. There is always something to be grateful for. Happy fall, y'all, and fall is in the air. There is some barns on here. Oop. That came right out. And then this is just like some wood grain with some text behind it. Harvest, fall memories, so blessed. So that's really, really cute. I love the colors on that. And then, is this what the one was before? No. It has like these strips. So I'm wondering if that's to like build cards and things. Because I've never really seen where it's like two bigger, like these are like the normal size tags. So this is today is a good day and happy fall. There's a wreath and some cute plaid, floral, and this is just like a all these different fall items, some pumpkins, some apples, a truck, a scarecrow. It's really, really cute. Some more tags, cozy fall. Orchard fresh picked apples, or locally grown. If I said organically for a minute, it says locally. A pumpkin, blessed, hello fall, and a flower, some blue. There's a tractor with some trees and leaves. Some red like leaves over here, and then there's some more flowers. Looks like some really pretty sunflowers. Just some scripting on this one. It says happy fall, crisp leaves, fall is in the air. That's really cute. I'm not sure if you can really see that, but it has like these almost like windblown leaves around the text. It's really cute. This one is just some more leaves, and then these are a repeat, right? Yes. And then the repeats of all of those again. So those are really cute. Then we also get some enamel dots in that color scheme. So there's like a, you know, like a yellowy orange, like almost like a rust orange, darker orange, white, red, and brown. An ephemera pack. This is super cute. So on the back here it says, some of them it says, let's go to the pumpkin patch, simply blessed and grateful, make today count, happy fall, autumn days, love that one. So these are really, really cute. Farmers market open daily. These are super cute. Like this is the let's go to the pumpkin patch one. And then we have some chipboard accents. I love chipboard. They look so cute on things. I like to use them on front of cards or albums, things like that. So I love fall most of all. Happy fall, y'all. pumpkin patch, fresh pumpkins, just some really cute fall things. And then there's some fall stickers. I'm sorry, not stickers. There's some fall stamps. There's a pumpkin, a tree, an acorn, a leaf, another leaf, thankful and blessed, and pumpkin spice and everything nice. I love getting stamps, and here I'll put it like this so you can maybe see. I love getting stamps in kits like this because you can do so much more with a stamp than you can with a sticker. So I can reuse stamps over and over and over again, make as many of these cards as I can with this base using these stamps, and you can really get the biggest bang for your buck, I think, out of stamps. Alright, so then we have the big paper pack, and then that's it. And you know what? I forget exactly how much this cost. Let me take a look. So this box is $29.99 shipped. So you get everything here for $29.99, and you also get some other perks. You get like 10% off of purchases that you make at Echo Park, and that includes things like their warehouse boxes and things like that. So it can be a really good deal. However, I do think this is going to be my last box. I love getting them. It's just I have so much paper right now. Maybe I'll start this back up later on when maybe I've used up some of my stash. But I really need to work through what I have and stop accumulating more. Because like I said, I probably won't even be able to use these fall things. Maybe I'll make some fall stuff for my next show. But it's in the middle of November. But I really feel like at that point in people who are out shopping and doing things like that at craft shows, they're looking for Christmas. So I probably will hold off on using any of this. It's super adorable though. So there's some of these really pretty leaves and just like a pattern on the other side. Love these tags, super cute. I love fall most of all. Pumpkin patch, farm fresh pumpkins, hay rides, fresh cider, open daily. Happy fall. Autumn days are the best days. You are the cutest pumpkin in the patch. Today is a good day. Hello, Gord. Just hello, gorgeous. It's fall. That's hilarious. Meet me at the pumpkin patch. Thankful, grateful, and blessed. Farmers market open daily. And this is just like a journaling card that says fall fun with a really cute red wagon. My favorite color is fall. And I do love fall. Fall is my favorite. But I think these are going to have to wait. I already did a bunch of fall crafts. So this is some really pretty. I love that blue. These pumpkins are super cute. And then you got the wood grain. I would definitely use the pumpkin side of that one. Some other cute leaves. Then that plaid. Some more tags. Love these small ones. Those are perfect for like the mini cards that I love to make. Hello fall, cozy fall. Orchard fresh, fresh picked apples, locally grown. Fall breeze, autumn leaves, and pumpkin please. Happy fall. That's super cute. When you love what you have everything you need. And these are just so cute. I love this. Like, it's just so cozy. I love fall. These are some really cute barns. Here's that same one that was inside of the smaller pack, but obviously bigger. I love this. This is so cute. So there's some tractor strip up here. So these are like a lot of strips. I'm seeing a lot of strips in this kit, and I think that it's probably made for card makers so that they can layer and do things with the paper like that, or scrapbookers even. Like, you know, if you want to put a border or like a you know, something to add some interest. Hello fall, pumpkin patch, you pick. Welcome to our family farm, pumpkin patch, farmers market. I will be grateful for this day. From the farm, farmers market. Autumn blessings. And then there's these really cute wreaths. I love those. Some more plaid. And some really cute flowers. They look really cute on the bigger paper, I think. And then there's some more of this, like, all these different types of, you know, fall items where you have your scarecrow, you know, you have one of the jars with some sunflowers in it, some of those gourds, really cute stuff. Another plaid. There's a lot of plaid. I would probably use the other side personally. Pick your own pumpkin patch open daily, pumpkin kisses, harvest wishes. There is always something to be thankful for. Welcome to our patch. Fall memories, the pumpkin patch family fun. Happy fall, y'all. Old-fashioned hay rides, fall family fun daily. Fall is in the air, pumpkin pies, falling leaves, apple picking, hayride, autumn skies, and hello pumpkin. And then some of those leaves on the back. Again, the tractors with the leaves and the trees, I think it's super cute. And then some more leaves on the back of that. These really pretty like sunflower. And then on this side it has like the wind blowing again with the falls in the air, happy fall. This is really cute, crisp leaves, love that. And then you also get your sticker sheet. So we have So Blessed, that's cute. Autumn leaves and pumpkins, please, sorry. Happy fall, y'all. Fall blessings, welcome autumn, pumpkins, and then that welcome to our family farm. And then there's also some really cute, there's a scarecrow boy and a scarecrow girl. There's some pumpkins inside of a lantern, that's cute. A pumpkin on a scale, so some really different things in here too. So that is everything that came in the Echo Park box. Lots and lots of paper, some stickers. I really enjoy having stamps, chipboard stickers, ephemera, enamel dots, and a 6x6 paper pad. So that's quite a bit, I think, for $29.99. And it's not that I don't love these kits. I love getting these kits. Everything in them is so cute. It's just like the perfectly curated box for whatever their theme is. This is like the perfect fall box. And I'm sure I'll be really sad when I see other people getting the Christmas box. I don't know. Maybe I'll get it, but I should probably not get it. You should see how much Christmas stuff I truly have. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. Let me know if you get the Echo Park box. My mom's been getting the card maker kit and it's really cute. I don't think I'll do that one either though, just because it's all small paper, I think. I think it's like all like the 6x6 pads, and they usually kind of coordinate with these, but I reach for 12x12 paper more than I reach for 6x6. So I would probably stick with this if I were to do anything. So that's everything. Please let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this. And as always, you can follow me here on YouTube. If you hit that bell below, you'll get notifications when I come out with new videos. And I am on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.